Hello everyone and welcome to a very cold winter's day here in Broadstairs. 7 degrees my kiln's telling me it is in here. Oh my goodness. Anyway, we're here to look at the latest in my series of flying birds, the peacock. And this is the biggest of the series so far, and it's determined by the peacock itself. Because look, here's the eye that I made. I made these bars for the eyes and they're tiny. But the peacock, of course, the proportion is all about the big wings and the long tail, so that makes it long. Okay, so it used to drive me crazy when people would say that making a mosaic is just like doing a jigsaw puzzle, but look what's happened. I thought I'd finished and I've got a piece missing. I genuinely thought I'd made everything, and then when I got to this bit I realised that I needed that bit of peacock tail there. So I've got to stop, I've got to make that, and 2 days later I'll be finished. So one thing I've learnt over the years from making mosaics is you have to be very patient. Yeah, right.